Well, I think more kids should learn to program. More kids should learn to program. More kids should learn to program.
But what programming language, Mr. Bill Gates?
But in what language?
Is Bill Gates asking us to learn the languages he first learned, like BASIC, Fortran, or Lisp? Or maybe, just maybe, machine code or binary? Not ones and zeros, please, not ones and zeros. Did you know that William Henry Gates goes by Bill Gates because he's worth billions of dollars? Bill Gates is a programming icon, and because of that, many people look to him for different programming language knowledge. When it comes to the programming language that Bill Gates prefers that you learn, I did a lot of research because I wanted to answer the question, what language does Bill Gates recommend beginners learn? And I found the solution. Bill Gates wants you to learn. But before I make this big reveal, let's get into the clues that led me to this conclusion. In 2013, Bill Gates said he is disappointed that new programming languages have not made progress in simplifying computer programming. So this first clue tells me that whatever programming language Bill Gates recommends that new computer programmers learn, it better be a simple one. Yea, verily, even an easy programming language. Well, which programming language is the easiest to learn? Some programming languages are definitely easier than others. I think it's safe to eliminate any programming languages that are not higher level programming languages. Sorry, machine code, you're out of here.
Goodbye.
Bill Gates recommends a programming language that is readable and higher level. In 2018, Bill Gates shared some telling information about his personal preferences when it comes to computer programming. In a Reddit post, he wrote that he prefers to use tabs over spaces. The cat is out of the bag. Eat it, space-loving computer programmer. So if Bill Gates is concerned about the columns of his program lining up, I'm guessing Bill Gates would suggest a programming language for beginners that has some sort of ability or emphasis on alignment. Remember, Bill Gates and Microsoft go hand in hand. Tomatoes, Bill Gates, Microsoft. When you think of one, you think of the other.
Sir, I'm Bill.
Bill Gates and Microsoft are basically the same thing. So one thing to consider is, has Microsoft weighed in on which programming language beginners should be learning? Why, yes. Yes, they have. Microsoft wants you to learn Python. 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 It all makes sense. What programming language is high level and known as one of the simplest languages to learn? Python. A quick Google search will consistently show you that Python is ranked as one of the easiest languages for beginners. HTML, of course, does not count. What programming language has an emphasis on tab/spacing? Python. Python's design philosophy emphasizes code readability with its notable use of significant whitespace. What programming language does Microsoft want you to learn? Python. It all fits. Bill Gates wants you to learn the programming language Python. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't already, please click subscribe. Here are 2 other videos that I think you'll enjoy.